Simplify this expression, which is 2 over 3 to power 2 over 3. And as you can see, this is actually in the form of a to power m divided by n, which can be expressed as the nth root of a to power m. Now, applying this property, this is the same thing as the cube root of 2 over 3, okay, to power 2, okay. 2 over 3 to power 2, this is actually in the form of a divided by b to power n, which can be expressed as a to power n divided by b to power n. Now, applying this property, this is the same thing as the cube root of, this is 2 to power 2 divided by 3 to power 2. And this is the cube root of 4 divided by 9. Okay? Now, the cube root of 4 divided by 9, this is actually in the form of the nth root of a divided by b, which we can express as the nth root of a divided by the nth root of b. Now, let's apply this property so that the cube root of 4 over 9, this can be expressed as, so the cube root of 4 divided by 9, this can be expressed as the cube root of 4 divided by the cube root of 9. It's the cube root of 4 divided by the cube root of 9. This is in the form of 1 divided by the nth root of a multiplied by the nth root of a to power n minus 1 divided by n, and the nth root of a to power n minus 1. Now, applying this property, we'll have 3 square root of 4 divided by 3, that is the cube root of 9, multiplied by the cube root of 9 raised to power 3 minus 1, divided by the cube root of 9, n minus 1, which is n is 3, subtract 1. And this is equal to the cube root of 4 divided by the cube root of 9, okay, multiplied by the cube root of, this is 9 to power 2, divided by cube root of 9 to power 2. Now, as you can see, the cube root of 9, this is 9 to power 1, multiplied by the cube root of 9 to power 2, this is in the form of nth root of a to power x, multiplied by the nth root of a to power y, which can be expressed as the nth root of a to power x plus y. Applying this property, this is the same thing as 3 square, that is the cube root of 4, divided by Now, applying this property, we'll have the cube root of 4 divided by the cube root of 9 multiplied by the cube root of 9 squared multiplied by the cube root of 9 squared. Okay, now the cube root of 9 multiplied by the cube root of 9 squared, okay, is in this form. So let's apply this property. So we'll have the cube root of 4, okay, multiplied by the cube root of 9 to power 2 divided by the cube root of, this is 9 raised to power 1, so this is 9 to power 3, okay, 9 to power 3. Now, from what we have here, this is equal to the cube root of 4 multiplied by the cube root of, this is 81, divided by the cube root of 9 to power 3. And this is equal to the cube root of 4 multiplied by the cube root of 81 can be expressed as 27 multiplied by 3 divided by the cube root of 9 to power 3. Okay, we have the cube root of 4 multiplied by the cube root of 27 times 3. Now we can express this as that is a cube root of 4 multiplied by, now when you have n cube root of a times b, this can be expressed as the n root of a multiplied by the nth root of b. Now let's apply this property. We'll have the cube root of 27 multiplied by the cube root of 3 divided by the cube root of 9 to power 3. And this is actually equal to 9. Okay, so this is equal to the cube root of 4 multiplied by the cube root of 27. This is equal to 3 multiplied by the cube root of 3 divided by the cube root of 9 to power 3. This is equal to 9. Okay, so let's simplify by 3, 1 by 3, 3. And this is equal to, now we have the cube root of 4 multiplied by the cube root of 3. And this is the same thing as the cube root of 12 divided by 3. Okay, and this is the solution. So thank you for watching. Kindly like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video.